video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install trailer wiring on your Nissan Xterra. Now this happens to be for 05 to 2015, and if it has a factory kind of tow package, it may or may not have come with a hitch, but it should have a trailer wiring harness. We just need to unplug that and plug this into it. It's going to be on the driver's side, so let's climb underneath and see if we can find it. So I'm underneath the car. I'm going over to the driver's side. So you can see this kind of leaf shackle right here. And if we come over a little bit more, you'll see the leaf spring. Follow my finger up. And right there is what we need to plug into. So that's basically a dust cap on there. So there's a little tab right here. We need to push the tab down and pull this cap off. Just use this tiny flathead screwdriver. Push down on this tab right here and pull this straight out. Now the connector you need is from Kurt, and it is 55441. If we take a look here on the back, you'll see that that's going to plug right into it. And then that's basically all we need to do. There is a metal mounting bracket that we'll be installing next. And this is one of the easiest trailer wiring harnesses you'll ever put in. Here's our trailer wiring. That is our plug. We're just going to go ahead and push that right in, and then we're going to get the wiring secure. So all you do is take your Kurt wiring harness, push it into the factory harness. You'll see it snap into place. And now at this point, some people just kind of zip tie the wiring onto their hitch like that, put a little dust cover on here, and they're good to go. Or you can make it look a little more professional with a bracket like this. Just going to mount underneath the bumper. We'll screw that on. That's going to look a little more like factory. Just want to put one screw in first, as you can see right there. 3/16 drill bit. And then you can come up here, as you can see it's a little bit crooked. Now I've got it pretty straight. And now I can go ahead and mark and drill the other hole. So now you want to slip on the dust cover. You just kind of slide it over here on the back. And then you come through from the back side of the bracket like this. And then you're just gonna kind of push and pull through at the same time, and you'll feel it kind of lock in place just like that. You bring the back of the dust cover, kind of slip up over here like that. Put the dust cover on. And now you have a professional look. Now we just need to zip tie up the extra wire. Alright, so as you can see, our trailer wiring harness looks pretty professional. Almost looks like it came that way out of the factory. And if you come under there, you'll see that all I did was just kind of zip tie the wire right to the hitch. I put 2 zip ties on there just in case. That's bolted in place with lock washers that come with the kit. And that's not going anywhere. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you put trailer wiring onto a Nissan Xterra. I believe the Nissan Frontier will be pretty much exactly the same way. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.